Thanks, Rado, for telling us about the importance of proper dessert selection. Let's choose our dessert now. At the current time, choosing gingerbread covers 99% of the devices active on the Google Play Store. It's also the cutoff for using Google Play services for things like maps and location and the Android support library. The support library package offers an implementation of UI features that were added in later releases but now can be used on older versions of the platform like Gingerbread. We picked the latest version of Gingerbread at API level 10 because it contains bug fixes that API level 9 doesn't have. Then we go ahead and click Next. We're presented with a list of templates that we can choose from in order to create our new app. We're going to pick the blank activity with fragment template. For background context, an activity serves as a presentation layer for our UI, and the fragment within it represents a behavior or portion of the screen. Go ahead and click Next. We call our activity main activity, and the layout comes from the activity_main XML file. In a similar fashion, the fragments layout comes from the fragment_main XML file. Then we go ahead and hit Finish. You should have your newly created Sunshine app with the files on the left here. Make sure you wait for the Gradle build to finish. If you still see errors, you can check the guide in the instructor notes below on how to troubleshoot. As a tip, you can check your Min and Target SDK versions in the build.gradle file located under the app's source folder. We want the Compile SDK version and the Target SDK version to point to the latest stable version of the platform. In this case, it's 19 and not L. Once you have no errors, we can add a custom app icon that'll be more fitting for our weather app. Right-click on the app folder and go to New Image Asset. Download the icon that we provide in a link below, then go ahead and find that icon. And here you can see a preview of our temporary app icon. We're going to get a better one in Lesson 5. Then go ahead and click Next and Finish. And the new icon shows up in the drawable folders. Go ahead and try it yourself. Make sure you're using the same settings as we have by checking the link below. Click here when you're done.